So year two, this week for our feedback, I haven't got a separate PowerPoint. I'm just going to talk you through one or two things because I really haven't got lots to say for this week because your work is amazing, year two. You have worked so hard over the past week and I've loved looking at everything you've done. I've been really impressed with how you have tried so hard, all the things that I've asked you to do. So you are superstars and I am so proud of you. So well done, year two. This week you've tried really hard to remember to use your capital letters and full stops in your writing. And I've been really impressed with how many more capital letters and full stops I've seen. Remember that a capital letter comes at the start of every sentence and straight after a question mark, a full stop or an exclamation mark. I need you to be a little bit careful with your capital letters, year two. I need you to make sure that I can tell they're capital letters. They need to be bigger than the lowercase letters and correctly formed. I've added onto the feedback section of our remote learning site just some alphabet charts just to remind you as to what the capital letters look like. We will be looking at these fairly shortly in our handwriting practice. Keep checking out on Mrs. Cangiano's videos because they show you how to form all your lowercase letters correctly. You're doing a really good job, children, but just double check that they are still grounded. That means that they sit on the line and that you tuck them in against the edge of the paper as well. In your maths, your work has been amazing and I can see how well you have grasped division. I think the only thing I really want to remind you about this week is your number lines. Make sure that you draw them slowly and that your number line touches each number as you jump. Don't try and draw the number lines before you've drawn the number. So when you draw your number lines, it should be a little bit like this. So for example, if I was doing, let's say 6 divided by 2, I'd start my number line at 0 and then I'd jump on in 2s. And I do it slowly and I would make sure that my number line touches each number as I jump. So I'm counting in 2s and stopping at 6. Can you see I'm not rushing and I haven't drawn my jumps before I have started to add my numbers. Now I can count my jumps 1, 2, 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. The other thing to watch, children, is when you're writing your multiplications, you actually write the multiplication symbol. So I know that 6 divided by 2 is 3. I also know that 3 times 2 equals 6. The times looks like a cross. So just make sure that you're not rushing so it looks like an addition symbol. Remember, if you're using square paper, 1 digit in each box, including symbols. So even if I was writing a really big number, so let's say, for example, 150 divided by 10, not that you're going to have to do this, but it's just an example, children. Can you see how all 3 digits in 150 have their own box? The division symbol has its own box and 10 has its own little square as well. The equal symbol has its own square, and the answer for that would be 15. There you go, year two. I know you can do this and I can't wait to see your work this week. Have a great week. Bye for now.